from Freedom 250 and brought to you by PragerU. Introducing the Freedom Truck, a mobile museum. Go back in time and experience the dawn of America with artifacts of the Revolution, from the first settlements to the first cries of liberty.
Let it begin here!
From the shot heard round the world to the signing of the Declaration of Independence, from the battles of the Revolution to the establishment of the Constitution, from 13 colonies, from sea to shining sea. Experience America's 250th year like never before through an immersive journey that shows how patriots defied a king and forged a nation that changed the world. Now open. Brought to you by PragerU.